Welcome back to L&D Home. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you our top 7 cleaning products that you must buy and try in 2022. Let's jump right on in. We are going to be going in no particular order, simply the order that I wrote them down. So number 1 is the Chom roller. This is actually a very new purchase for me at the end of 2021. And if you are a pet owner, this is a must for you. I got mine off of Amazon, and I will say it wasn't super cheap, but I did read some reviews. I watched some videos and things, and everyone was really suggesting this Chom roller. We have 2 dogs, and there is pet hair all over the place all the time. And I usually use a trick that I shared in a previous video that I will link in the cards up above, where I take a lint roller and I just refresh my pillows and cushions and stuff like that. But you can only lint roll so much. The Chom roller comes in really handy for this. It gets up all of that pet hair and it just makes everything look refreshed and new. And considering how much my personal dog sheds, the Chom roller is a great investment. I highly recommend it. Our second cleaning tool is an extended cleaner. Funny story, I actually put this on my Christmas list and my husband was like, half your list is cleaning supplies, babe. What am I supposed to do? And I was like, well, buy the cleaning supplies. So he did buy this extended tool and I love it. I just got it for Christmas and I've already used it probably 5 or 6 times, and I am filming this video in January. So if that tells you anything, it is fabulous. We got ours off of Amazon and I use this mainly to clean our shower. I hate cleaning the shower, getting down, scrubbing the sidewalls. It's such a pain. I really love this extended tool because you can kind of swivel it around and there is no bending or breaking your back. It cleans amazingly and it gets in all of the nooks and crannies and you can just stand there and use it. It's great. Our next cleaning tool I have actually talked about before a while ago, and that is in a video that I did that's like, should you buy these things? Is it worth it? And those are e-cloths, specifically the window e-cloth. And I am here to tell you, you need to run to your local Target or click that button on Amazon and grab you the window e-cloths for your cleaning in 2022. If you are anything like me, I hate cleaning windows and mirrors. And in my house, we have a ton of mirrors. Not just mirrors we put up, but we have mirrored sliding closet doors. And I don't know, doesn't matter what I do. There's always smudges. I could use vinegar and newspaper and all kinds of fancy tools and stuff, and it never works, except for with the window e-cloths. I could literally clean every single mirror that we have in this house in probably 10 minutes or less, like probably even less, streak-free, and my arms don't even hurt. Like, the e-cloth window cloth is amazing. I highly recommend it, and it even works on your stainless steel appliances. Next on the list is not necessarily a cheap tool, but it's an important one, and that is a cordless vacuum. Now, like I said, I know they are not cheap, but I do think that they are a must-have for 2022 or for any year, really. At the beginning of 2021, I actually bought myself a cordless vacuum because I hate vacuuming. And the reason why is I had to lug out the big heavy corded vacuum, figure out where to plug it in, get stuck around corners with the cord, have to unplug and replug. It was always such a hassle that I would just kind of look at the floor and think, it's clean enough, it's fine. Well, and it turns out it wasn't clean enough because I vacuum all the time now because I have a cordless vacuum. I will vacuum the house so much more now. My floors are so much cleaner, and it's really great for kind of like an emergency spill that you can't really sweep up because it's on your carpet. All you have to do is pop that thing right off its charger, give it a little zhuzh over that area, and pop it right back on the charger. They are absolutely amazing and completely worth the investment, I promise. Piggybacking off of that tool is my next tool, and that is a carpet cleaner. Now, this is an absolute must in 2022 if you have pets or kids or both like we do. If you have pets or kids, you know that the stains can be real. The pets sometimes have accidents, and so do the kids, like their Kool-Aid goes all over the place, or there goes their spaghetti sauce because their whole plate fell, and you are left with a giant stain on the floor to try to get up. It also just helps to have a carpet cleaner to refresh those rooms as they get kind of dusty and dingy, because we have carpet pretty much in our entire home. I like this one particular carpet cleaner because the one we used to have was probably like 7 or 8 years old and the brush had stopped working. Now you saw it in cleaning videos because I was still using it, but I finally, it bit the dust and I finally decided to save up some money and get a new one. And I highly recommend this one in particular. It is small but mighty. So the reviews that I listened to and read said, well, you can't really use this if you're looking to kind of clean the carpets in your whole house. I agree but disagree. This thing has some great power behind it, and I have used it to clean entire rooms. Yeah, you got to fill up the tank a lot, but it's much cheaper than renting one, and it's great for small spots as well. It also drives like a vacuum. So it does like the pushing and pulling almost for you, kind of like on an auto sense. So you don't really feel that you're doing a lot of work with this. So that just makes it amazing and an absolute must-have. It will be linked down in the description box below, including all of the other cleaning products that I'm talking about today. Next on the list is not really a cleaning product, but a cleaning product organizational product. It's been a long day. And that is this cleaning tools hanger that I got from Amazon. I actually got this at the beginning of 2021, and it is definitely still rocking its way into 2022 and holding up strong. You can fit lots of different size handles because the two little parts kind of push in and out, so it really forms to whatever size handle you have on your cleaning tool. The only thing I will say is I wish it had more spaces, maybe like 5 or 6 spaces, but it is really good for a compact space like the one that we have, where I can put it right in our front closet and everything is accessible in one place. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found these tools helpful and you are running out right now to buy and try at least one tool on this list. If you have any cleaning tools that you think are a must-have in 2022, let us know in the comments down below. I myself am always looking for a good cleaning tool. Ask my husband, he saw my Christmas list. Please make sure that you check out the video in the playlist on the screen for some more tips, tricks, and entertainment. And make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can become part of our YouTube family. Bye.